Hey guys, so today I've got a kind of a quick first impressions review of the Kitao brand, which I picked up a few of their products at Ulta within the last few months or so, and I've had a chance to try them out, and I thought I would kind of let you guys know my thoughts on it. Okay, that makes sense. So anyway, actually I was pleasantly surprised at Ulta. I'm always in like the kind of K-beauty area. These are actually made in Japan. And the first product from them that I've really tried was their Essence. And it's actually a super hydrating essence. So I was trying to kind of use them interchangeably with the Tatcha Essence. And I really like the Tatcha Essence because I can follow it up with another essence that I love. So layering essences, the Paula's Choice Essence. The Kitao Essence, though, is super hydrating. It does have a little bit of denatured alcohol at the very end of the ingredient list. But it's so hydrating that I couldn't really layer essences with it, so it kind of did everything for me. Super hydrating, does a really nice job kind of after you cleanse your skin. Patting it on really does a nice job giving your skin a boost of hydration, and actually takes a minute or two to fully dry or set, so you can go on to the next step in your routine. But I was actually pleasantly surprised with it. There's not a lot of new brands that have come out lately where I've been really excited about them because they don't include a lot of fragrance or alcohol or have good packaging. And the Kitao, I'm probably not pronouncing that right, even though it's only 5 letters, brand I was pleasantly surprised with. They do have a couple ingredients that are a little iffy here and there in some of their products. Like this one has a small amount of denatured alcohol in it, but not enough where it's at like the first 5 ingredients. I think it's almost one of the very last ingredients. So for me, it wasn't an issue. But if you have very, very dry skin, this would be a good essence, in my opinion, to check out because it contains a lot of good hydration ingredients. So this was a good one, J Beauty from Japan. And then their cleansing cream. Actually, I was also pleasantly surprised with this. Now this one, the last ingredient is fragrance. However, I didn't really notice it at all. So that was the only iffy thing about it, but otherwise it does a great job. You want to apply it to dry skin and massage it over your skin for a minute or two, and then you can either tissue it off or you can rinse it off. But it does a really good job removing any makeup, sunscreen, any sebum, things like that you have on your skin. And I really like the option to just tissue it off instead of rinsing it off, because I found that tissuing things off makes my skin stay a little bit more hydrated than generally. So overall, I really like this one as well. They also have a moisturizer that I'm going to have to check out as well. But for a nice makeup removing cleanser, this one did a really good job. And even though it included a little bit of fragrance on the list, I didn't notice it at all. So for me, that wasn't a huge deal. And you can tissue it off or rinse it off, and it does a really good job removing makeup and mascara. That was my thing. So really impressed with the brand, and I'm definitely going to be checking out their moisturizer. But if you guys are kind of curious, or if you've seen them in Ulta in the aisles and we're kind of wondering more about it, it's one worth checking out in my opinion. So, and I'm always into a little J Beauty. K Beauty's big, J Beauty's going to be bigger, I think. So anyway, so those are kind of my first impressions on Kitao, and once I've got more of a chance to use them more, I'll definitely do a fuller review. I was going to review Laneige today, but I decided it was more important to review Kitao since they're not really a hugely known brand yet. But I'll definitely be reviewing this one soon too, the Laneige Cica mask. So if you like their sleeping masks, the Cica one is the bomb, so in my opinion. So anyway, so those are kind of my thoughts. For today. I will see you guys more tomorrow. I've got a lot of good reviews coming up this week, so definitely stay tuned for that. And if you ever have any other free time, definitely check out my sheet mask blog on nobsbeauty.com. I am painfully going through it, and my skin definitely is not a huge sheet mask fan, I must say. So that's why I'm painfully going through it. So anyway, thank you guys so much. I'll see you tomorrow.